This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Dawley. Enjoy the golfers go by or enjoy the wildlife from the scenic screened balcony. Beautiful second-story condo in Heritage Ridge. Spacious floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. Very homey and comfortable. This community has its own clubhouse and pool. However, you can enjoy the community pool, tennis courts, pickleball court and hot tub/spa. Located close to Hobe Sound Beach, Hobe Sound Refuse Beach, many restaurants and shopping is close by. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Dawley at 772-219-1111.